Welcome to the Crypto Investments channel. In this video I will talk about Baby Doge price prediction and Baby Doge news today. If you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Write in the comments your price forecast for Baby Doge in 2022. Baby Dogecoin is a new meme cryptocurrency that presents itself as a child of the original Dogecoin, Doge. Dogecoin indirectly influenced the emergence of many cryptocurrencies. All of them somehow copied the idea behind it, in the hope of repeating the same rapid growth in value that Doge experienced in 2020 and 2021. Baby Dogecoin and other projects such as Shiba Inu seek to increase the focus on attractiveness and memorability, as well as give investors the opportunity to make significant profits. Baby Dogecoin wants to provide the same value growth as well as speed up transactions. In addition, it rewards users with a percentage of each transaction fee. Baby Dogecoin follows a 6-step roadmap to maximize the value of the token. The project also aims to provide greater security for the liquidity-locked community of owners, and promotes the values of transparency, trust, community, and longevity. In order to engage the community as much as possible, the developers involved several third-party audits to dispel any doubts about bias and dishonesty. As with other meme cryptocurrencies, it is not entirely clear who is behind the creation and maintenance of Baby Doge. Baby Doge was built on Binance Smart Chain to remain compatible with the Ethereum ecosystem. So let's start with the most important news of the past days about Baby Doge. The ongoing retracement has tumbled the Baby Doge price by 47% from the January 17th HIGH $0.0000000635. Over the past 3 weeks, the bears took a short break consolidating in a narrow range. On February 7th, the sellers took the lead and slipped the altcoin below the $0.036, indicating the correction phase could extend. During February's first week, the Baby Doge USDT pair continued to resonate between $0.0000000043 and $0.0000000036 levels. On February 12th, the tug of war between the bulls and bears finally came to an end when the sellers dipped the pair below the bottom support. The decisive breakout from this range indicated the resumption of the downtrend. However, for the past 3 days, the Baby Doge traders are trapped in it now. The scope of sanctions hitting Russia over the last week has showcased the incredible web of nested cross-border interdependencies that make up the fabric of essentially every contemporary society and their ultimate fragility. Some Russian banks have been disconnected from the SWIFT messaging system, crucial to international transfers. Shares in one of Russia's largest banks collapsed 95% on the London Stock Exchange. The ruble has declined by roughly 50% against the dollar in just a week, a body blow to the Russian economy that would have long-lasting effects, even if it is a short-term dip, which it won't be. Trade restrictions are looking just as devastating. Taiwan has said it will halt semiconductor exports to Russia. Industry observers believe the Russian commercial air fleet, made up largely of Boeing and Airbus planes, is 2 to 3 weeks away from complete shutdown because of an embargo on parts. Apple Pay and other consumer payment services have been cut off for some customers, reportedly causing disruptions including slowdowns in Moscow's subway system. The total impact reaches down into the very guts of Russian society. It was seemingly not much of an exaggeration, then, when France's finance minister promised on Tuesday, March 1st, that we are going to cause the collapse of the Russian economy. All of this should be considered in a longer historical context. Until recently, such opportunities for disruption simply didn't exist. SWIFT was not created until 1978. As recently as the middle of the 20th century, international banking still regularly involved shipping large amounts of gold around on boats. Lunar's $232 million Series D from July last year, which gave the company unicorn status. The firm last month unveiled actor Will Ferrell as an investor. Lunar also developed a promotional video featuring the anchorman Adele star. And last news today, Elrond Network acquires payments firm TwistPay, wins e-money license. Elrond Network, a Layer 1 blockchain with scalability in mind, has acquired Romanian payments firm TwistPay, and with it the approval to issue electronic money by the country's central bank, the National Bank of Romania. Elrond, which recently acquired payments gateway Utrecht, did not disclose the financial details of the acquisition, but the blockchain's CEO, Benjamin Mincu, called it a landmark decision on the part of a European central bank. This shows that central banks may be switching from a counterpoint to the crypto space, toward a more neutral, or even potentially favorable point, Mincu said in an interview with CoinDesk. The rep similar was back in December 2020. This was right before Doge decided to go parabolic. Today we are seeing a similar price action. However, there are no signs of confirmation that the bulls have regained control. We need to take a closer look at the intraday market activity. Shifting to a lower time frame, we will look for any potential reversals. Let's take a closer look. Doge, on a daily time frame, shows that the long-term trend is in favor of the bulls. Doge, on a 4-hour time frame, shows that it is likely to retest its previous breakout zone for support before continuing to the upside. Floki, on a 4-hour time frame, is waiting for a confirmation of support. Until then, the bears will remain in control. Babydoge, on a 4-hour time frame, shows the bulls are in control. When comparing Doge, Floki, and Babydoge on a 4-hour time frame, it is clear that all the three coins are bullish in the long term, but looking for a confirmation of support in the short term. We will bring you the latest babydoge coin, babydoge, price prediction for 2022, 2025, and beyond, and we will help you. We will cover everything from how babydoge differs from other currencies, in that it handles most of the inherent difficulties of the blockchain, to babydoge coin price predictions for the next 10 years until today. Babydoge coin price prediction 2022. In 2022, with wider adoption and partnerships between other important blockchain networks, the price of babydoge coin will skyrocket. The maximum trading price may reach $0.00000000 in 2022. The price ranges will be very trendy if we stick to them. If all goes well, we can expect an average price of $0.00000000 with a maximum price of $0.00000000 for 2022. Babydoge price prediction 2023. The value of babydoge coin will rise, thanks to the efforts of network developers and community investors. Therefore, the settlement price for the year 2023 is bullish. Babydoge is expected to reach a maximum bid of $0.00000001 by the end of 2023, according to analysts. On the other hand, it is very optimistic that the future of babydoge coin will eventually rise. Thus, the predicted average price of babydoge will be between $0.00000001 and $0.00000001 expected in 2023 depending on the market. As stated in the same slogan, babydoge's maximum price ranges from $0.00000001 to $0.00000001 for 2023. Babydoge coin price prediction 2024. Babydoge has a huge potential. With certain interactions and innovations, an increase in the number of users and advertising is possible. If the market focuses on investing in babydoge coin, the price could rise much higher. By 2024, it may reach a maximum value of $0.00000001. Babydoge is expected to reverse slightly if the market goes down. The year 2024 could end with an average price of $0.00000001, a minimum price of $0.00000001, and a maximum price of $0.00000001. Babydoge price prediction 2025. For a long-term forecast of the babydoge coin price, basic analysis is important. In terms of industry benefits, the native token offers several. The autonomy of the digital economy makes it ideal. As dApp and stablecoins evolve, the network offers competitive programmable payment, logistics, and storage options. There is a possibility that the average price of babydoge will rise to around $0.00000001 by 2025 if the idea attracts more investors. For 2025, the year may end with a maximum price of $0.00000001 with a minimum price level $0.00000001.